haven't seen the CN Tower.
Well, I know, but Abby does a lot of fancy things.
Oh,
You do a lot of fancy things.
Alright, here's the CN Tower. I'm underneath it. Here's a better view. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so nice. That's a beautiful CN Tower. We just left the aquarium. We're technically not supposed to leave here, but our class is literally right in there.
Okay.
And we have
Stand
about
here
20
and take a
minutes.
picture with CN Tower.
Alright, I'm laying on the ground in Toronto trying to get a picture. And this is not fun.
You got a dump on me. Complaints?
This is my view right now. CN
Your
Tower.
hair?
I said, okay, I want to cut it. Anyway, he goes, no, don't cut it.
What do you mean?
Alright everyone, we're at the spaghetti factory. Bye Charlie.
Oh my.
Having some bread right now with some really fancy butter. Tastes really good. Thumbs up. I'm trying to do a thumbs up. There we go. Alright, spaghetti's here. I got the generic one. Looks good. Thumbs up. Gonna try it now. Let's hope it's good. How's yours, Charlie? I know you can't speak. Okay, good. He gave a thumbs up. Alright, they even gave us complimentary ice cream. Really sweet. And Charlie seems to love it, but he's spitting it out or something.
I'm dripping.
That does not sound right. I'm dripping.
It's true. I don't know.